Charleston 1. This one's Aaron.
This one's Francis.
Every Charleston starts with, what your booty do? You got to get that booty doing before you can start moving. Then we got together. And we did a little basic, shoot, ha, hoo, ha. We did a 360, ha, hoo, ha, hoo. We caught it, we closed it. One more of those, little fakie step, hoo, rock step, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. This thing doesn't just do a little shimmy-nim-nim-nim-nim-nim, shimmy-nim-nim-nim-nim-nim. Nah. Put you right there. It go shoo, shoo.
We did a more linear version.
Ha,
where we keep looking at our partner.
Hi.
Ha.
Hello. Hoo, ha, hoo, ha, hoo. Then we did a little kick up. Shot, hoo. Little roll back. Shoot, ha, hoo.
A little double roll back.
Oh.
Ha.
Hoo, hoo, ha, hoo. Shoot. Psych. And that is level 1.